welcome to our cooking cheese lumpia Shanghai. And you could also use veggies or beef or chicken, and you could also use mild cheddar cheese or cream cheese, and then you could wrap it, and this is plant-based egg roll wraps. And some of you have, especially if you're in the Philippines, you have different wraps that you could purchase in your area. And here in the USA where I am, I buy what is available, the egg roll, plant-based or organic. The one I showed you is very preferable to me. And as you can see, we are frying the cheese lumpia Shanghai. When you say lumpia Shanghai, it is a mini roll lumpia. And as you can see, I just use a little bit of extra virgin olive oil for frying because this easily gets cooked, as you can see. Now let me turn up the stove, and you could use any dipping sauce you like. Ketchup, I like garlic and apple cider vinegar for dipping sauce. I have lots of garlic as well, and with apple cider vinegar, this is super yum. Or you could just eat it like it is. Wow. And more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom. This is Juanita Gutierrez, and this is her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video, Miss Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. The word nanay means mom in English. It's a Tagalog word. I wrote a book, Speak Tagalog, the basic primer, and so I love to translate. And my beloved mom is right here in the front book cover of my book, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes, and all my 22 books, yes, 22, are available worldwide, including Mom and Chef, at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Noble, and all bookstores near you, and at my two websites. Yes, I have two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bscdmscd.com, and the next one is juanitagutierrez.com. And you could also upload Mom and Chef along with my 22 books in ebook, Kindle, paperback format, or hardbound. Hardbound copies. Ebook means you could upload my mom's cookbook and all my 22 books easily, quickly, in minutes in your computer. Or you could have it in paperback format or hardbound copies as well. This is my beloved mom in our newly built kitchen. When we were growing up, my dad is in the USA as a stenographer typist for so many years, and this is the gifts from my dad. And my dad was a USA stenographer typist for so many years, as I have mentioned, and when he retired, he was twice an elected leader And he signed the public school budget. In the school for my beloved mom, yes, that's my mom, founded with other government public officials. My mom was the first woman ever elected public official in our hometown, a top-notcher as well as my dad. And she proposed and founded the only public high school for I, her daughter, yes, that's me, Miss Gutierrez, speaking to you about the video. First taught as a new school teacher and was unanimously elected the youngest teacher association president. And then I moved to the city of Manila to be the English professor at the University of the East, where I graduated with my other, with my, with all my brothers and sisters from elementary, high school, all the way to college graduation. It's a private university, and thanks be to God, my dad was able to afford all our tuition fees, as he is here in the USA as a stenographer typist at the USA airport. And then I moved to the city of Manila to be the English professor at the University of the East, as I have mentioned. And then all the way here in New York City, New York, USA, where I'm a New York City school teacher for so many years, outstanding teacher, university professor, journalism teacher, and school paper advisor, president of the Teachers Association, and teacher trainer here in New York City at the annual Institute, Teachers Institute. If I could mention, humility aside, we all have blessings from our greater source and more. In my 22 books you'll find worldwide. In Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video. Miss Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. And now, our cheese Lumpia Shanghai is ready for us to be enjoyed while we, and I turn up the stove. That's why I'm just flipping this over and over to get the heat. And that's our cream cheese over there. Come on and eat. You're all invited to my table after cooking. First, before we have to bless our food, isn't that important? Blessing for food. Mighty I am presence, accept this food, make it pure and holy, transmute it into thy violet golden flame of divine love, and see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with the speed of thought forever self-sustained. And so it is done, beloved I am. Come on and eat, let's begin. And I know this is still hot, and so I'm flipping it over just like so. And you could just pop this in. This is bite sizes. You're gonna love this aside too. Our cream cheese is showing, and excuse me please, the camera is moving a lot, of course. That's a cream cheese. And you could also have fillings of mild cheddar cheese. And as I had shown you a while ago, I use the plant-based egg roll wraps, and I always have this ready so that we could always use it. Happy cooking! In the Tagalog language, masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. Kain na po tayo. Come on and eat. And let's see if I could get, this is hot, hot, hot. Happy cooking in the Tagalog language. Kain na po tayo. And I'm trying to get a piece to bite, but it's still hot. For you and me and all of us, yum. It's still hot, so I have to put it back. But I know you're gonna love this. Enjoy cheese, lumpia Shanghai, or any fillings you would like. for then. Happy cooking. Enjoy. Yum. As you can see, I have another dish over there that I showed you in the previous video how to cook. Enjoy. Happy cooking. Yum.